Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the blue snowball ice. I got two here. This is the glossy white one, and I got the black one too. So yeah. So this is matte basically. And actually, this is all recorded with the blue snowball. So yeah. So right here, inside the box there will be two other boxes. So I'm going to show you the blue snowball one first, and I'm going to show you the accessories next. So the snowball itself is pretty heavy actually, so got some good weight to it. And here are the accessories. So first there's the cord, and there's also the stand. And here I'm going to attach the blue snowball to it. All you gotta do is plug it in and plug it into your PC by USB, and it should be good. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.